Welcome to Vivion, your reliable partner for premium wholesale ingredients and chemicals. Today, we're exploring the benefits of ascorbic acid and uncovering what sets Vivion apart as your solution for exceptional standardized ingredients. Let's explore one of our key offerings, ascorbic acid. We maintain a stable supply at each of our distribution centers. Our ascorbic acid meets the stringent quality standards of USP grade, making it a reliable choice for many applications. Available in DC 97% and USP grades, this white to yellowish white fine granular powder is synthesized from glucose through a fermentation process. Our ascorbic acid is non-GMO, kosher certified, and vegan product that ensures purity and quality to meet your diverse needs. As a direct compressible form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid is ideal for solid dose applications like tablets and capsules. Its granular form ensures improved flowability, reducing dusting, and promoting uniform compression during tablet manufacturing. Widely recognized for supporting immune health, vitamin C plays a critical role in boosting overall wellness. Its direct compressible format reduces production time and costs, making it highly efficient for large-scale manufacturing. Whether supporting immune health or enhancing production efficiency, ascorbic acid is your trusted partner for a variety of formulations. Vivion, the only ingredients supplier focused on solid dose applications. Our ascorbic acid is specifically manufactured for use in tableting and encapsulation for the nutraceutical and pharmaceutical industries. Vivion's commitment to quality is evident in our membership with the Alliance for Chemical Distribution, validating our adherence to corporate governance. Why partner with Vivion for your ingredient needs? Our unwavering dedication to excellence, a heightened level of individualized attention to our clientele, and all of our products are offered at a highly competitive price point. Our extensive documentation and certifications substantiate adherence to stringent technical, qualitative, safety, and regulatory benchmarks. Plus, our seasoned professionals are always ready to address your inquiries and provide the solutions you need. With Vivion, you're choosing on-time and accurate deliveries, rapid responses to inquiries, quick lead times, and the flexibility of custom and special blanket orders. With a legacy spanning decades, Vivion is here to meet your ingredient supplier needs. Contact us for a quote today. Call us or submit a form and discover how we can make a difference in your everyday applications. Vivion, ingredient solutions for everyday applications.